𝗥𝗿cie from grade 5 and I study in JB English School. I like this session very much. We got the opportunities to learn how to use the cars, drones. I love it very much and I would like to learn more in the future.
So hello everyone, it's Miss Rizana from grade 5, a student of JB English School, and today I'm here to say something about our Robotics International that was just held right away. It was so much interesting and fun because we see how the technical works and we even move it. And I was even the one who moved it from the help of the mobile with connecting with the Bluetooth. And I want to say that everyone that it's so much fun to do this type of things, like even the teachers who are making us know about it have to say us what are the uses of it, what will be benefit. They even say us the robot don't displace the human. They just make human life easier. And by saying this, and in our new session also we are gonna have it. I want to learn it more in my future. I also want to be a teacher, same like a teacher which I have explained just right away.
Hello everybody, it's me 𝗥𝗿cie from grade 9. I am representing from JB School. Today we had a different and innovative idea presented over our school, and we were very acknowledged and we were very excited to know what was the program about, and it was about robotics and all. And I feel very proud and proud and well disciplined by learning this all. So I feel very grateful and I will be happy to learn this more in my coming future. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am 𝗗𝗿cie from grade 7 representing JB School. So from Dursikshya, some sirs have just came to our school and we have just got some introduction about robotics, and I've kind of felt nice about this because we can learn something about technology. While we are just studying at school, we are able to learn something about technology, and it's effective for students because in futures they can do many things like they want to, and make something themselves at home, and no need to buy things at shops or spend lots of money. Just you can make at home, and it's simple and really nice.
My name is Jamal. I read in grade 3. My school name is JB English School. Today I learned about robotics. I am interested to learn robotics, and in my future I want to learn more about robotics. Thank you.
Hello everybody, today it's me Vidhan Thakur from grade 7. I am from JB English School. Today I attended a robotics session. I want to learn more about robotics in future. Thank you.